Miss Pavitra. I hope you're doing well. So, for today, my topic is Industry 4.0 Impact on Employees. First, I'll be talking a little bit about their background for the first, second, third, and fourth Industry Revolution. So, for the first one, Industry Revolution, they use water and steam power for their production. The second one, they use electricity to allow mass production, such as making copper, steel. The third one, they use automating output electronics and information technology. And the fourth one is now building upon the second one, which is mass production, but even better and incorporating automation and AI. So for introduction, Industry 4.0 signifies a new industrial revolution that promise advanced production that will help with communication, analysis, and use for data beneficial for physical world. It is a smarter, interactive technology that can be used within organization, individual, and properties. Industry 4.0 is capable for production such as robotics, analytical, AI. AI is artificial intelligence. In short, Industry 4.0 is ushering in a digital reality that may alter the rules of production, operation, and workforce. So what is the impact on employees? A new study conducted by the McKinsey Global Institute indicates that approximately 1/5 of the global workforce will be impacted by the introduction of AI and automation. Countries like the UK, Germany, and the US will be affected the most. By 2020, 50% of businesses claim that automation will grow their full-time employees, and by 2030, robots will replace 800 million employees worldwide. I included a chart by OECD, which is Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, that shows that 14% of jobs across 32 countries are highly vulnerable, defined as having at least 70% chance of automation. At current employment rate, that puts 210 million jobs at risk across these 32 countries. As you can see, that the three main jobs that will be highly vulnerable, which is food preparation, construction, and cleaning. But there's always positive impact and negative impact to things. So first, I'll talk about the positive impact. So there's three positive impact that I would like to highlight, which is high productivity, better medical team, and flexibility. For the high productivity, while robots may be better at quickly, efficiently, and safely completing tasks, robots aren't better at everything. They has to be first line supervisors of machine, installers and repairs, and first line supervisors of transportation, material moving machine, and even vehicle operation. People will be working with robots and machine and not competing with them to have a more mass production and a better harmonious way of living. Next is better medical team. Doctors are already using computers and other high-tech devices to improve healthcare. As data becomes more easier to gather, it will be easier for the doctors to diagnose diseases and treat patients. The online data will help doctors to have access to more information on the patient and link the patients from their wellness and also their lifestyle for a more personal service. This job need high interpersonal skill, teamwork, and leadership, which computer cannot go beyond, such as dealing with people, communication, and other things. Last is flexibility. Future technological advance will enable people to work more flexible, allowing people to work at home or in the office and working during working hours or off-duty hours. Employers, for their part, are also happy to choose this kind of flexible working pattern to reduce office expenses. This can save hundreds and thousands of dollars in furniture, office equipment and supplies, and utensils, and people that work there. Next, I'll be talking about the negative impact. So for negative impact, I only found one negative impact, which is reduced jobs. Jobs that involves transportation, construction, maintenance, and office, and also administration work will likely be traded to automation. Previously, Amazon worker will walk around shelf looking for a product, but now they have robots shelf rearranging themselves to bring the products to the worker, which is more efficient and save costs. People who has more knowledge with computer science and maths are highly sought after to help develop the field. So people that do not have the education will most likely be dismissed, and people who have education will most likely be employed, which is unfair. What is the solution to this? I found that the solution is better education. Students have not gained exposure to Industry Revolution 4.0. University must evaluate and assist the students' training and real work insight to make sure that they enter the workplace and scale upon other people. The latest revolution to take place is in need that people with science, technology, engineering, and maths, which is STEM, skills to develop in this advanced system. So that is all I have for today.